Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to make a quick one for you today, talking about Windows 11 23H2 and CoPilot, or I should say the lack thereof CoPilot. If you notice, there's something missing here on my taskbar. The CoPilot icon, usually it's sitting right there. You click it and it'll fire up. So my first thought was, okay, where did it go? Let me show you that I am running 23H2 here. So I got this early by signing up for the Insider program. I was able to get this 2 or 3 weeks ago now. And yeah, it works great. It's got some nice features, but again, Copilot's gone, so trying to figure out what's going on there. I did figure out how to get it back. That's what I want to show you guys today. So if we look and we go to, we need to go to personalization, and then we go to taskbar. Normally there's another line here, or another menu that says CoPilot shortcut or something like that, and you can turn it on or off, but that's not even here. So I tried a few things reading online. I tried a registry edit, that didn't work, so I punched it back, reverted, and then I tried a group policy edit, same thing, didn't work, so I went ahead and normalized that as well. I did, however, find one solution that works, and that's what we're going to look at today. So what we need to do, guys, is we need to download a tool called vivetool. If you've never heard of this, it's a utility that you can use to disable or enable, I guess you would say, hidden Windows features. And I'll give you the link to the download as well, so don't worry about that. So I'm going to go ahead and download this from GitHub. So if you're on Windows, you're just going to download the zip file here. And then go ahead and extract that. And then we're going to open up a command prompt. You can copy this path and then open up a command prompt as admin, run as administrator, and then cd space for change directory, and then paste in that path. So now you're in that path. Now you're going to run a command and call the utility. So I will give you this command as well, guys. Oops. Alright, so I pasted that in there. It's just vivetool space / enable space / ID, and then these are all the IDs that we want to enable. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. You just comma separate those. And if you needed to revert this, let's say you don't want CoPilot on there, or you find some issues, because I did a little bit of digging and it sounds like the reason they took CoPilot off was there was some type of bugs or issues they were having when you had multiple monitors. I guess CoPilot would get confused or whatever. So they are planning on bringing it back in a future release, but right now if you're on 23H2, chances are you don't have it. So this is the way you're going to get it. But again, if you run into trouble, you would run that same command, but you would do a disable. So what I just did right there, I'm going to go ahead and enable it again. I can just hit up arrow here a couple times. Alright, so I enabled it, and now we're going to go ahead and reboot the PC, and we'll be right back, and we'll see if CoPilot's there. One more thing we want to do before we reboot, guys, is make sure we are keeping Edge up to date. So you're going to want to have Edge on the latest version. And you can do that, I believe out of the box it's set to update automatically, but if you've changed that or if it's not, you can do that by hitting the 3 dots here for settings, and then go down to settings here, and then you're going to want to go to About Microsoft Edge, and then mine is up to date. If yours is not up to date, make sure you get this up to date. Alright, once you've taken care of that, go ahead and reboot. Alright guys, we have rebooted and we are back, and I already see the CoPilot icon right here. So that is back, and it looks like it's working. And it should also be on the taskbar settings under personalization, so we should be able to check that out as well. So if we go to personalization, taskbar, aha, there we go. CoPilot preview is back. So now we could turn it off or on from here, but before it was just completely missing. So again, guys, wanted to share this with you in case you've upgraded to 23H2 and you are a user of CoPilot or you just wanted to check out CoPilot, this is the only way that I found to work so far. Again, I tried the registry edits, I tried the group policy. Neither one of those worked for me. I rebooted in between each and nothing. vivetool worked perfect for me first try. So again, guys, I will provide you with a download link for vivetool. I will provide you with the command to run in vivetool, and then I will also provide you with the revert command. So if you wanted to disable those IDs through vivetool, I'll give you that as well. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you guys are on 23H2. If so, what do you like about it? What do you hate about it? If you guys found this useful or you liked it, please hit the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Tap that bell so you don't miss my future content. Go ahead and share it with your friends and drop me a comment, guys. Thanks a lot. Alright, till the next one, have a great day and take care, guys.